everyone, I hope you're well. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a Lush haul. I haven't done one of these in so long and I don't know why, because Lush is one of my absolute favourite stores on the high street. It is almost guaranteed that if you are out shopping with me and we see a Lush, we have to go in. Even if I don't need anything, I just like the experience of going in, smelling some bath bombs, getting glitter all over my nose and leaving happy. I just love it so much. I popped into store a couple of days ago and picked up some bits, so I wanted to run you through those. And I was also very kindly sent a couple of their Valentines gift boxes, which, oh my goodness, I'm so happy about. Wait. What is happening with my hair? What is this? And so I'm also going to unbox both of these and run you through everything that is inside them. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm going to start with the stuff I picked up in store. I went to the Lush Oxford Street store, which is humongous. It's split over 3 floors. So many products and also some limited edition stuff in there as well. But also, how lovely is this new packaging for the bags? I think it's so beautiful. I love the colours in this. So the first thing I picked up is the Little Dragon bubble bar, and I have opened this already because I went to meet some friends after and I wanted to show them this. So this is what he looks like, and he is actually one of the ones that is limited edition to Oxford Street, so if you can get to London. He smells very oriental. I can definitely get hints of cinnamon in there, and look! He's so cute. He's to celebrate the Chinese New Year, and so he has this little like dragon material between him, but he is super glittery and orange as well, so I think the bath with this will be absolutely splendid. I cannot wait to use him. Also, the fact that there are 2 parts on sticks makes it much easier to use because you can just hold it under the running tap. I am covered in glitter already. Next up is the Big Blue Bath Bomb. I don't actually think I've had this before, which is why I picked it up. She looks like this. She's got bits of seaweed perhaps in there as well, so things probably will be floating around in the bath with you when you use this one. But I like the smell a lot. It's very essential oily. So I've just looked it up and I was right. It is very essential oily because it has lavender in it as well as some lemon oils. It's supposed to kind of mimic the ocean when you're in it, hence the added seaweed as well. And I think this will just be the most relaxing bath bomb to use. Oh, now this is one of my favourites. I picked up the Twilight bath bomb. I just love the fragrance of this. It smells so beautiful, probably one of my favourite Lush scents. It's very similar to the Lush Sleepy body cream, which is also lavender fragranced, but it's a really different kind of lavender to the last bath bomb blue one because it's a lot sweeter. I think it has lavender oil in, but it also has tonka absolute, which is why it kind of has that vanilla notes in it as well. And it also has ylang ylang oil. I just absolutely love the smell of this one, and to have a bath and soak in this smell will just be so relaxing and calming. I have had this one before, but I can't quite remember what it does in the bath. I think it's all like pinky, purpley, bluey shades, but very pastel-y. Oh dear. Oh my goodness. The last thing I picked up from the store was the Rocket Science Bath Bomb. I got this because I've never had it before and because it's super cute. I reckon this will be an absolute rocket explosion in the bath because it has that very bright, vibrant blue and then a little bit of yellow off the back. So I'm imagining it will kind of shoot off and yellow will be sprouting out as well as blue. And I can also see remnants of a little bit of pink in there as well. So I think that'll be quite nice. The fragrance of this one isn't jumping out to me as much as the others. It doesn't really smell like anything. I think I've got blue all over my face now. But I've looked it up and it says it has notes of bergamot and lemon. If you would like to see me use all of these in my bath with an underwater camera, like I have done previously, I will leave those videos down below. Then do let me know and I'll get on that whenever I have a bath. I'll dig my camera out. Oh, I do have blue on my lip. Now I'm going to open these little gifts. Pre-made gift sets from Lush. The first up is the Love Box. Okay, so there are 4 things in the Love Box. First up, this, which I'm pretty sure is a massage bar. Yeah, this is the Melt My Heart massage bar. Oh, smells so good. It doesn't smell like their usual ones. The ones I've had previously smell like chocolate, like white chocolate, whereas this one definitely smells more like herby, and it looks like it might have some like flower petals in there perhaps. so this is definitely one to use. I prefer just using these by myself as a moisturiser as opposed to a massage bar, because I cannot massage my own back, obviously. Oh wow, I've never tried one of these from Lush before. This is the Cherryish body scrub. So I'm guessing you use this in the bath, just get it a bit wet and massage into your body for a nice gentle exfoliation and scrub. This does smell incredible. It is very sweet, kind of like a superficial strawberry scent and like a white chocolate as well. Beautiful. Never tried one of their body scrubs, so I'm looking forward to seeing how this does. We also have the Kiss lip scrub. I absolutely love this product. I have so many of the Lush lip scrubs because they're so great at removing all dead skin cells around your lips, and it also has little love hearts in it. So cute. And the final thing in this box is this. It is the Tender is the Night Naked Shower Cream. I absolutely love the Naked ranges that Lush are doing at the moment with absolutely zero packaging because it's great for the environment. This one has notes of jasmine, flower and ylang ylang. So that was the Love box from Lush. And then secondly, I am really looking forward to this. This is the Love Hearts box, and this is filled with bath bombs and bubble bars, which are my favourite products from Lush. So let's get straight into this. So first up from the Love Hearts box is this. This is a Tisty Toasty bath bomb. I've never used this before. In fact, I don't even think I've seen this in a store, but it's probably me just not paying any attention. This is very floral, perhaps the most floral scent I've smelt from Lush. It has rose, geranium, jasmine, iris in it, so loads of gorgeous kind of floral scents. And it also has roses, kind of like dried flowers, inside the bath bomb as well, which is a nice little added surprise. This is very cute and very romantic. Lovely. So the second one in the box is the Rose Bombshell. Again, this is very similar. The pattern of this is so beautiful. I'm going to do a close-up so you can see. It's a pastel pink with kind of hints of blue running through it and kind of roses printed in on the ball as well. This to me smells very similar to the last, very kind of floral and rosy. Yellow rose petals, lemon oil, geranium oil, rose absolute. So yeah, very floral, and I feel like I have used this before but I can't remember what it's like, so it'll be a nice surprise when I do. Oh yay! My fave, the unicorn horn, is back. Everyone knows about this. It's so cute. It's the unicorn horn bubble bar. So pretty. This has got lavender oil in it, neroli oil, ylang ylang. So it's again very essential oily, very relaxing, and creates a gorgeous amount of bubbles in your bath. And it's fun to play around with beforehand. Two more. Then we have this little cutie. Again, I don't think I've ever used this. It's a Bubbleroon called Whole Lotta Love. I don't know what a Bubbleroon is, so I'm going to have to research this. I will leave links to everything down below if you want to check them out as well. But it's kind of like two bubble bars with a bit of gold shimmer in the middle. Cream, I don't know. Oh, this one smells really nice. It's quite citrusy. I love citrus scents. Bergamot oil, lemongrass, ylang ylang, gardenia, shea butter. So very moisturising as well as being nice and uplifting. Oh god, this one's massive. The Love Boat Bath Bomb. This is super cute, and again, I've never used this one before. Again, quite citrusy. This one has lemon oil, sweet orange oil. Oh, I love sweet orange oil. So this will be an absolute delight to use. And also look at that little love heart on the front. This one is so well designed. I find it so difficult to describe these Lush bath bombs because they're so spectacular and each of their smells is so unique. I find it quite hard to kind of get across what they are really like, so I suggest you go into store and sniff them yourself. I'm sure you'll find some new favourites. I'd love it if you could subscribe, thumbs up, and leave me a comment as well. Let me know what your favourite ever Lush bath bomb is. I would love to know. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you on Wednesday for my next weekly vlog. Mwah!